Why do we yawn when someone else does? Why do we laugh in awkward situations? Human behavior is filled with quirks, some bizarre, some brilliant, and some downright shocking. Today on Brainy Bits, we are diving into surprising facts about how and why we behave the way we do, backed by science, psychology, and a little mystery. The first one, mirror neurons and yawning. Ever yawn just because someone else did? That's the power of mirror neurons. Brain cells that fire both when we act and when we see others act. They help us feel empathy, understand emotions, and even mimic behavior unconsciously. So the next time you yawn after someone else, blame your brain's wiring. The second one, why we laugh in awkward moments. You are in a tense situation and suddenly you laugh. Why? Because laughter reduces stress and diffuses social tension. It's an evolutionary tool, helping us bond, deflect danger, and calm nerves, even in the most uncomfortable moments. The third one, eye contact can trigger fear. While eye contact builds trust, too much of it can feel threatening. In fact, prolonged eye contact activates the amygdala, the brain's fear center, especially in unfamiliar or intense situations. It's a primal signal that says, are we friends or fools? The fourth one, hugs can lower blood pressure. A good hug isn't just comforting, it's healing. Hugging releases oxytocin, the love hormone, which helps lower blood pressure, reduce stress, and improve heart health. So, yes, science says hug it out. The fifth way, we remember emotion, not words. We may forget what someone said, but not how they made us feel. That's because emotional memories are stored in amygdala, which tags them as important. This is why first impressions, good or bad, last so long. The sixth one, fight, flight, or freeze. We have all heard of fight or flight, but there's a third reaction, freeze. In overwhelming danger, our bodies sometimes just shut down to avoid detection. It's an ancient survival reflex hardwired into human behavior. The seventh one, phantom phone vibrations. Ever felt your phone vibrate when it did? That's phantom vibration syndrome, and it's common. Our brains are so conditioned to expect alerts, they create false signals, just like hearing your name in a noisy room. The eighth one, we make 35,000 decisions a day. From what to wear and how to phrase a text, we make around 35,000 decisions a day. Most are subconscious, but they shape everything from mood to motivation. That's why decision fatigue is real. Your brain gets tired too. The ninth one, brains help you problem solve. Ever slept on it and woke up with the answer? Dreams are your brain's way of problem solving. They help organize memories, process emotions, and sometimes connect dots your walking mind misses. Einstein, he credited dreams for some of his theories. Human behavior is more than habit. It's the science of emotion, instinct, and ancient wiring. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love this dive into the psychology of you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more brainy bits every week.